So some of us are still sad that Pluto was demoted from planet status in 2006, but did you know that it's actually not the first time that that's happened, and it was way more chaotic in the 19th century. So in this video and in a subsequent part 2, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the chaotic planetary designations of the 19th century. The 1800s started off with a bang with the discovery of Ceres in 1801. The discoveries of Vesta, Pallas, and Juno, all within the orbits of Mars and Jupiter in that space we now call the asteroid belt, soon followed. So most astronomers thought they were discovering new planets. It was like, this is really cool. The solar system has a lot more planets. So until William Herschel, actually in 1802, William Herschel observed and said this. He looked at these new bodies that were discovered and noticed that when he looked at them through his telescope, they didn't resolve into disks in the same way that the other major planets that we've known since ancient times did. So William Herschel actually coined the term asteroid, which means star-like, to describe these new bodies that were being discovered that didn't resolve into disks. But Herschel's findings were not immediately accepted and put into practice by astronomers. Fast forward a couple of decades between the 1830s and 1850s, dozens and dozens more bodies lying between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter were discovered. So the updating of astronomy textbooks was wild during this time because there were constantly new discoveries happening and no reference text was saying the same thing. Some said the solar system had 13 planets, 15, 20, 30 planets. So it got to the point where throughout the community of astronomers, they were like, something doesn't seem right here. Doesn't seem like the solar system should have 30 planets. What are we going to do about this? Stay tuned for part 2, where I'll talk about how this whole planetary mess in the 19th century eventually got sorted out.